Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could enable or turn on Windows antivirus protection to get the maximum protection against viruses. Windows comes with a pre-implemented or pre-installed antivirus, which you can use in your favor. To do that, just click on Windows search bar, and this works also for people who has Windows 7, 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. So on the search tab and type Windows Security. You will see this app. Click on Windows Security app to open. Next step, go to the left panel, and under Home, you will see Virus and Threat Protection. Just click on it. Next step, we'll just go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click Manage Settings. First of all, enable real-time protection. Windows will ask you if you want to make changes. Just click Yes. This locates and stops malware from installing or running on your device. You can turn off these settings for a short term before it turns back on automatically, but in some cases, or due to some bugs in some computers or some features, it might be disabled. So you want to make sure to turn it on to have it turned on all the time by just clicking on. Next step, you want to click on Cloud Delivered Protection and you want to turn it on. Also, you want to turn on Automatic Sample Protection because it works. Cloud Delivered Protection and Automatic Sample Submission, they work best together. And you want also to enable the Tamper Protection. Next step, click on the little arrow on the top of the menu, which is back. And we want to go to Ransomware Protection. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Make sure to enable Controlled Folder Access. And Windows will ask you again, just click Yes. And this will allow the ransomware protection for you. You want to go back again. And the next step, you want to make sure that you're connected to internet and go back to Virus and Threat Protection Updates, Protection Updates. Click Check for Updates. Windows will start checking online for updates to update its antivirus database. In my case, it says Security Intelligence is up to date. I will go back again. And you want to run click on Scan Options, by the way, and here you will have different options. If you don't need to use your laptop currently, you can go for a full offline scan. Your computer, as soon as you select Scan Now, your computer will restart and then it will be scanning offline, and this will remove any existing viruses. You can also go for full scan or quick scan. The antivirus will scan your device and will come back to you with either no finding, or it will ask you permissions to remove some items which are viruses. This was all, guys, for this video. I hope this video tutorial was easy to follow and was helpful. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always do that by clicking like and share, and do not forget to subscribe. Also, you can join our family by selecting the subscription and joining our big family. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.